Alright, we're going to try 3S again with this guy. And yeah, I've geared it up, but I've left the same spur in there. So the spur is a 55 and I've geared it up to, I think it's 37 from 31. Just want 60 miles an hour, 100 Ks, and yeah, hopefully be happy with that if it doesn't go out of control. Alright, let's do this.
Okay, running 3S.
Yeah, so if I can get 60 miles out of this, a controllable 60 miles on trenches, then I'll be pretty happy with that. And all this wind's not going to help either, but that's what makes it fun. Go on. There we go. Alright. Oh! Front flip. Alright, let's see if we can do that again. Oh, it's very dicey now. If I want to get 60 miles an hour, I think I have to change tyres. But it's fun like this. That's only 3/4 throttle. Oh, a bit afraid to get a full throttle, but she is hammering along. Oh, at least it lands. Now let's bring it in before I cause more damage. It's been hopped up like anything, so it's not going to break on me. Well, not badly anyway. XOK just taking the full brunt of those flips. Okay. So we got 88 kilometers an hour without full throttle.